To vote in the United States, you need to be a U.S. citizen who will be at least 18 years old on Election Day. You also must be registered to vote. If you're not sure, visit the vote.org website to check your registration status. In most states, you can register online, by mail, or in person. Make sure you register by your state's deadline, which is usually 1 to 4 weeks before an election. In some states, you may be able to vote early or by mail if you'd rather not vote on Election Day. Look up your local election dates and polling places on vote.org or your state government's website. If your state requires it, you may need to bring some form of ID to the polls. When you get to the polling place, a poll worker will give you a ballot to fill out or instructions for using a voting machine. If you're voting by mail, follow the instructions on the mail-in ballot.